I gotta do all that stuff. That's the worst part about this whole thing.
Bro, right now. Dude, give me I got one.
Fuck you!
Hey, stop!
Incident, public disturbance, and trespass enforcement, location, unidentified shopping mall. United States date, unconfirmed case status open. Subject presumed innocent unless proven guilty.
I feel uncomfortable.
Okay, after you make that purchase, mall security wants you to leave the mall.
You're gonna hold my hand.
You're not gonna hold your hand, dude.
Who's gonna hold my hand then?
Nobody. We don't need to touch 6 feet, COVID.
I gotta do all that stuff. That's the worst part about this whole thing. Do they understand this shit? No one's talking about I'm all the home.
You just made purchase.
Walking onto my spot, so I was coming in. And I was like, there's a really drunk guy upstairs.
Yeah.
I don't know where he's been.
I don't need to explain that to anyone. I know what I know.
Did he pay already? He didn't pay? All right.
But you pay with card or cash?
I pay with cash. Oh.
Can you hand that to me, please?
No, I want them.
We're not picking it up. We're not picking it up.
It's fine. Trust me. I want them to pick it up.
Are you gonna pay for your food?
I mean, so I pay for your food. I pay for your food.
You're gonna be
I pay
listen.
for your fucking
You're gonna be
shit.
trespassed right now. So you need to give me your identification. What's your name? He doesn't want to give his name. I'll just hook him for obstructing ID at this point, so we trespass him.
Yeah.
And then we can unarrest him.
Yeah.
Right, exactly.
Tell me I'm right.
Let's wait till Bruce is coming.
Okay.
Bruce has to do it right hand. He's going to need to provide his name,
Yeah.
or it'll be obstructing.
No, absolutely.
So we've dealt with this guy for too long, giving him a lot of cases.
All right, my man. You're holding up business. We gotta walk.
Are you gonna carry my shit out?
I'm not carrying anything.
Like, is it because I'm white? Are you racist or what?
Definitely not. Grab your stuff. Let's go.
He's racist. He's saying that you won't carry my shit out because I'm white and you're black.
Let's walk.
Or like, actually, you have a great complexion. You probably have the greatest complexion. Sorry, Brian. I'm just saying, like, your complexion's great. That's complexion.
Come on. Which way you want him to go? That way or that way?
Blood or not? Is he blood or not?
All right. Which way you want to go?
Right through the table.
Escalated. All right. Let's go that
I'm
way.
gonna go right here.
That way.
So we're going to go out downstairs.
But that's the fucked up thing.
Hey, listen, bro. If you don't leave right now, we're gonna put you in handcuffs.
But there's no reason. I don't want you to arrest me. I'm gonna hear it. Like, I talk to everybody. You know that or not?
You want to give me your name? What's your name? Let's start off with first name basis.
I'll leave. I don't want to.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, fine. Damn it! You shit me.
Let's go.
Some of you have to agree with me.
Yeah.
Like, some of you have to agree with me. All right, I'm doing it.
We'll clean it up. Let's go.
Sorry about that.
What?
Don't do that. You all right? Watch out. Where are you going?
That's your business. Thanks for asking.
Well, you're trespassed, so now we have to identify who you are.
Trespassing what? Like trespassing, bro, like
From the mall.
you're like your
This
hair
way.
is trespassing like over like a
This
certain, like.
this way.
Let me check your hair. I'm not going to charge you like that. I can do like this. I agree. You're like,
So we haven't got him identified yet? Bro, hey. Alright, that's it.
Right now. Dude, give me I got one.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop resisting or you're gonna get tased. I got one.
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your
You're gonna get
back.
tased.
Stop resisting.
I did nothing. I did
Hands
nothing.
behind your back. You flexed on that guy.
Yeah, but I didn't
What are
do
you
anything.
doing? Stop
I didn't
resisting.
do anything. Stop moving, dude.
That's fine.
Stop moving.
I want to go through 1746. Relax. Good. Relax. Relax.
Cool. Do it again.
Walk him out. Is he cuffed? Is he cuffed?
1746.
Alright.
Yeah, he's fine.
Let's just get his info. He flexed on that guy. Yeah, that's definitely assault right there. He did it to a kid. He like jumped in front of a kid upstairs. Stand up. Give me this. Stop the food. Stand up. Stand up.
Yeah, Take your more male custody.
33, we're by Honeyberry Cafe on the first floor.
I still have one male in custody by the Honeyberry Cafe. Is there another male in custody or no?
Just one.
I really like how you're cooking. Like a cook.
Giving you a lot of chances here.
Like, just stop being
Walk out.
No.
Walk out. Stop it. You're
No,
gonna get
just
picked up.
stop making it
Start
fucking
walking. Start walking. Start walking. Like an adult, start walking.
Come on, walking back. Let's pick up from his legs.
Don't get kicked.
Why is it good?
You!
7, 6.
You! You!
Hey, stop kicking or you're gonna get another charge, dude.
Really? Can we get another charge?
Get in the back, respond.
No!
Stand him up.
Very fine.
Get in the back. Get down.
Alright. Just don't fucking see
Stand
me.
up. Stand up.
Sit in the squad car.
Don't do it.
Fine.
Alright, stand up.
Stand up.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck!
Trespass authority private property managers hold legal authority to revoke a person's license to be on their premises. Once that revocation is communicated and refused criminal trespass attaches under common law and applicable state statute, Terry v. Ohio, 1968. A lawful investigative detention requires reasonable articulable suspicion that a crime has occurred, is occurring, or is about to occur. A trespass notice once issued and refused independently satisfies this threshold. Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 2004. A stop and identify demand is constitutionally valid only when two conditions are met. First, the state has enacted a stop and identify statute. Second, the underlying stop is independently supported by reasonable articulable suspicion. Approximately 30 states have such statutes. The remaining states impose no identification obligation on individuals during non-custodial encounters. Fourth Amendment. Unlawful identification demand. In states without a stop and identify statute, a person's refusal to provide their name to law enforcement is not a crime. An arrest premised solely on that refusal constitutes an unlawful seizure under the Fourth Amendment. 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 Civil Liability. Any officer who arrests a person without lawful authority exposes themselves and their department to federal civil rights liability. A plaintiff need only show that the officer acted under color of law and deprived them of a right secured by the Constitution. Graham v. Connor, 1989. The reasonableness of force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene at the moment of decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. 3 controlling factors apply: the severity of the underlying crime, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and the degree of active resistance. Use of force continuum. A verbal warning prior to deploying less lethal force is a recognized element of proportional escalation. Issuing a taser warning without discharging the device reflects compliance with graduated force principles when resistance is present but not immediately dangerous. Illinois v. Wardlow, 2000. Unprovoked flight or evasion from officers, combined with other indicators of criminal activity, may constitute independent, reasonable, articulable suspicion sufficient to justify a stop. A subject's deviation during an active trespass escort satisfies this standard. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Verbal confrontation directed at law enforcement, including profane and offensive speech, is generally protected in expression under the First Amendment. An arrest premised on verbal provocation alone, absent a true threat or fighting words, is constitutionally infirm. Assault on a law enforcement officer. In most jurisdictions, striking or kicking an officer during an arrest constitutes a separate criminal offense, independent of the underlying resisting charge. Each act of physical contact with an officer during custody may carry distinct charging and sentencing exposure. Crisis Intervention Team Standards, SAMHSA. Disorganized speech, apparent paranoid ideation, and erratic affect are recognized indicators of acute psychological distress. CIT protocols and SAMHSA guidelines direct officers to prioritize de-escalation and, where available, mental health co-responder deployment before defaulting to physical control. Key lessons: 1. Confirm jurisdiction, stop and identify statute before using failure to identify as an arrest predicate. 2. An ID demand without statutory authority violates the Fourth Amendment and triggers Section 1983 exposure. 3. Mental health indicators require a modified response framework, not standard enforcement escalation. Key lessons continued. 4. Verbal provocation is not a lawful basis for arrest under clearly established First Amendment precedent. 5. Each use of force decision must independently satisfy the Graham versus Connor reasonableness standard. 6. Patience and proportionality are both legal obligations and tactical advantages.